I got something amazing to show you. The new Sunpak induction area. You're probably saying, what is that? Well, I'm going to show you and let you hear. I bet you got a smartphone, right? I do. Right now I have Adele 21, very popular female singer. And one of her most popular songs. Not bad. But watch when I place my smartphone on the Sunpak induction area. Is that cool? That simple. No wires, no cables, no Bluetooth, no connections whatsoever to get that wonderful sound. Amazing? You bet it's amazing. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Self-contained, works on 3 AA batteries, also has a USB port built into it, so you can plug it into any USB device. On-off switch, compact, lightweight. Works with any smartphone. Amazing, beyond amazing. It's fantastic. The new Sunpak induction box for smartphones.